So we've spent half the year fixing up Mom's apartment, and so we're taking a quick tour. Here we are outside, walking in. Her lovely cabinet that she had handmade. Pictures hung. Dad's old license plate and Mom and Dad. Cabinets and pictures, all collected over the years. Here we're walking, here's the living room, and my lovely wife who's pretending to watch TV, very nice. And there's Mom and the living room and more. Here's the kitchen. And a special dishwasher for Mom so she doesn't have to lean over into her dishwasher. She can put her silverware in there. Lazy Susan. Her nice desk, which is very neat, I think. What else is out here? Mom's beautiful old cabinet, but we took 3 doors off of it and mounted the big screen TV in there. And although it is before Thanksgiving, we're watching the Hallmark movies. Here is breakfast table. Walk on in. A little nook we built in. Here are the doors that were taken off that cabinet, turned into a wraparound for the sink. And bathroom. Of course, the lovely squatty potty, a precious gift from a friend. Oh yeah, and there are more beautiful stuff here. Heater installed for Mom. More paintings. Whoops, here we go into the bedroom. It's snowing outside today in Santa Fe, so that's what we see. Her bed. And pictures. Here's pictures of here's pictures of me and Susie, but oh, Kit's missing. Oh, we need Kit's picture back. Uh-oh, camera's having trouble with that. We need Kit's picture back. It looks funny without my brother there. And then here we have the walk-in closet with all of her stuff. And if you go back out, there we are back in the hallway.